The 2014 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, OnStar, keyless entry, heated seats, Bose sound system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.